Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa. My name is Fafa Gilbert and welcome to the world of infusions and marriage of flavors, you know. Now if you've not clicked that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click that for me now. Show some sister love here. Thank you. Now if you do like the video, so don't forget, click the like button too. That notification button, that anytime I upload a video straight to your email, no wahala. Yeah, just click that as well. Now what have I got to cook today? Of course, it's infusions, but this time it's textures, forms. It's like, yeah, what's she doing? Exactly. To inspire you, to think outside the box. If you're like, what is this? Just try it. You might just like it. And if you do like it, let me know. So the creativity continues. So today I'm actually making this beautiful beef suya with a crunchy suya topping. What? I know, very easy but flavor packed, full of flavors and textures. Now you need to actually watch my previous video on how to actually make your suya spice from scratch. This is a must-try recipe. I'll leave a link at the top that would help you access that. Now when it comes to spices, the best way of storing them, the way I find it, is I freeze them. So as and when a recipe actually requires it, I take it out of the freezer and I dry roast it, and that releases its oils and flavors again, as you can see here. So here I do have my chunks of beef. You can use lamb, you can use goat meat or your preferred meats, that's fine. And to that I'm actually adding my toasted suya spice mix, which is so aromatic. If only the makers smell-o-vision, you could just smell this. Anyway, so to that I'm actually adding some oil, and I've actually used groundnut oil here, but you can use your preferred oil. And for that bit of color, I'm actually adding some dark soy sauce. You can omit the dark soy sauce. This just introduces some color to the dish, so it gives it this dark, glossy, rich color once it's actually cooked, but it's something you can omit altogether. So what I'm actually doing here is mixing everything together, as I always say, till it's well combined, and then marinate it in the fridge. Now this I was actually going to use it the next day, so I did marinate it overnight, but at least an hour of marinating would actually work. Now when you're marinating your meat, what you're doing is you're introducing flavors to it, and with that it means that it actually embeds into the fibers, and when you bite it you just do say flavor kwanishim nanamakula and flavor kwelamala. Now the thing about cooking is in the preparation and of course the washing after, which can be tiresome. So actually planning what you want to eat and also pre-marinating your meat in the fridge or freezer, or pre-cooking your tomatoes, they all actually help you cut your cooking time in half. So in this instance, I pre-marinated my meat, so it's just easier for me. I take it out, I can serve it with some salad, it's easy. So anyway, at this point, preheat your grill to 180 degrees and then leave your meat, take your meat out of the fridge and leave it to bring it up to room temperature. That should take you about 15 minutes. The reason why I'm saying you need to take it out and bring it to room temperature is when you place it on the grill, it means that they all are the same temperature, so it cooks just perfectly. So you end up with that beautiful, moist, caramelized meat that I actually want you to enjoy. So when you bite into it, it's like flavor. So now that my meat is actually in the grill cooking, I'm actually going to prepare my crunchy salad, may I say. It's not really a salad, it's going to be a topping. Now, under normal circumstances, I'd actually cook my peppers with the suya, but now I'm going to actually leave it partially raw, because once I take the beef suya out of the oven, it's going to be hot, and that residual heat will just cook the peppers just perfectly. So it means that the peppers are still crunchy, and it's just going to be beautiful. This is what's called meat party in your mouth. Make meat party in your mouth. No be so. You can be creative with whatever vegetables you choose to actually include with your meat. But equally, in the name of not wasting anything, just look in your fridge and see what vegetables you actually have that can be eaten raw and just include this into this dish. So that's all the elements of creative cooking. So now look at this. Look how beautiful and bubbly it is. And here I'm actually adding my peppers and my spring onions. This is called color. This is called texture. This is called flavor. How easy is this? You think I've finished? You did like Racho. So I'm just mixing everything together till it's well combined, as I say. Now I've got the topping. So the topping idea actually started one day when I really craved for some suya meat and I didn't have the kuli to actually make it with. So I was like, do you know what? I've just got some roasted peanuts. Let me crush it. I added my spring onions, my onion powder, all the bits that you can add to actually make your suya. And I ended up with this crumble and I loved it. Now, this is an example of improvising. Now, when I actually started creating this channel and I actually started saying this is a creative African cooking channel, is because when you're in the diaspora, you really don't have access to all the ingredients that you readily require. So you have to learn to make substitutions. And, it's out of desperation or out of not having something that you become creative. So this was born out of me trying desperately to actually have that suya flavor that day. And it has become a fan favorite. I mean, I've used this for my wache fried rice and topping for most things. So of course that now that my meat is ready, I'm actually going to just sprinkle some of it in there. So for all you, if you want to recreate this topping, all you will need is some crushed peanuts, add some spring onions, and then add a tablespoonful of your suya powder and just mix it and you have that beautiful crumble. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And here we have a pièce de résistance. It's all in its glory. Just put the fork in, get some butter bread. Yeah, actually butter bread. Get some butter in it and just stuff this in there with the crunchiness and just sit in your corner and chew. This one, they make you share small. They see. Anyway, I hope you're actually inspired to try the recipe. And thank you very much for watching. Now, you would find the transcript of this recipe, including the list of ingredients on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as ndudubyfafa. Until next time, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Yeah, take care of yourself. Be nice. Please surround yourself with great people so you become a greater version of yourself each day. Guess what? I love you and take care of you.